Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to upload documents to USCIS online without errors in 2026. Many applicants face upload failures, format errors, or page freezes, and these issues are usually easy to fix. First, check document format and size. USCIS accepts files like PDF, JPG, PNG, or DOC. Make sure each file is within the allowed size limit shown on the upload page. Next, rename your files properly. Avoid special characters, symbols, or long names. Use simple names like passport.pdf or birth_certificate.pdf. Now, scan documents clearly. Blurry or unreadable files may fail or be rejected later. Scan at standard resolution and ensure all pages are visible. After that, use a supported browser. USCIS works best on updated Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Avoid outdated browsers or in-app browsers. Next, clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted data can cause upload errors. Restart the browser after clearing. Now, disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers or privacy tools may interrupt uploads. Incognito mode can help test this. Then check your internet connection. Unstable or slow internet can break uploads. Use a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection. When uploading, wait patiently. Don't refresh or click multiple times. Wait until you see the upload confirmation. If an error appears, log out and log back in. Session timeouts can stop uploads. Re-login refreshes your session. Finally, save confirmation and review uploads. Make sure each document shows as uploaded successfully. Keep copies for your records. So yeah, uploading documents to USCIS without errors means using correct formats, clear scans, simple file names, supported browsers, stable internet, and patient uploads. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay organized, and I'll see you in the next guide. Hello.